Okay, so for this video series, we're going to be testing endurance on the rower. So Laura's going to be doing a 1 kilometer row. We're going to be aiming for a finishing time of 4 minutes and 40 seconds, which means 2 minutes, 10 seconds for 500 meters. So I'm going to be pointing out some things to Laura as she rows and just watching her technique. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So there is a box in the top right hand corner which will tell you strokes per minute, and we want to be around the high 20s, around probably 26, 27 strokes per minute, which Laura's doing right now. Just to maintain it 2 minutes and 10 seconds for the 500 meters. So that's what we're going to be watching for. The rower is pretty similar to a deadlift, so when Laura performs, she's going to push with her legs and then pull at the end with her arms, and breathing every single time she returns. Good. Keep breathing. Nice. Take a good 3 seconds on the way back. 3, 2, 1, and a big pull. Good. 3, 2, 1, and a big pull. 3, 2, 1, and a big pull. Good. The stroke rate's gotten a little bit slower, but in actual fact, her pulls are a lot faster than 2 minutes, 10 seconds per 500 meters, so we're happy with that so far. Good. Good breathing. She's still pulling a little bit harder than 210, so that's going to buy us some time in the last 500 meters when she gets a little bit more tired. Good work. Good. Push with your legs, pull with your arms. You only pull with your arms when your legs have been completely extended. We're at the 2 minute mark and Laura's at around 500 meters, so she's actually ahead of time, and that's pretty obvious based off the fact that she's pulling faster than 2 minutes 10 over 500, and that the strokes per minute are still around, roughly around where we wanted them. Good. Now she's perfectly at 210. So as she starts to fatigue, it may drop, it may not. Right now it's just staying at about 210. Good work. Keep breathing. 350 meters left. Doing really well for time. She's actually picking up even more pace now. The rower tells us she'll probably be finished around the 4 minute 10 second mark, which will be nearly 30 seconds faster than what we were looking for. Keep breathing, keep moving, keep push with the legs, keep going. Nice. Good. There's 100 meters left. And that's the 4 minute mark on the rower, so she's got 40 seconds to complete, but she won't need it. She's got 30 meters left. And that is time. 4 minutes, 13 seconds. This is the endurance test for the rower.